Hey man, I cannot believe the time is finally here, bro. It's finally here. The play button, the 100K, the goal is achieved, and it's time to unbox it live with you guys. Let's go ahead and get today's video, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in. It's always greatly appreciated, man. Like, it still feels surreal to have this. Like, I've had it for a couple days, and it's just like something telling me not to open it up yet. But I think it's time to finally open it up and kind of, talk about it, man. I really cannot believe that we hit 100,000 subscribers. I'm still on that 100K high, and where like it don't feel real yet, you know what I'm saying? But we still pushing out content. We still, giving you guys my experience with sneakers, me unboxing, reviews on feats, early looks, all that good stuff. The content ain't stopping, bro. The content is not stopping. It's just crazy that we finally have the 100K play button, bro. Like, I just can't believe it. Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm lost for words. I don't even know what to say. I don't know how to feel. But I always want to say thank you to you guys, because without you all to, support the channel, this would not be possible, man. So before we get any further, if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, if you don't do nothing else in today's video, bro, do your boy a favor and leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. You support your boy DeVintage, man. So let's go ahead, get the knife, and unbox this thing. So just getting anything from YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I just thought that, it was just crazy, bro. I'm literally lost for words. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. God dang. But let's go ahead and get into it. We got the gold knife today, bro. Let's go ahead and pop it open, bro. Like, I'm actually doing this so slow. You would think that, somebody hit 100K to hurry up and open it up and stuff like that. But me, I was the opposite. I'm like, dude, I don't want to open it yet. Someone telling me not to open it. But, yo, we here right now. And we're gonna open this thing up, bro, and just kind of talk about it, man. Let's go ahead and see, bro, the final reveal. Oh man, I'm not editing none of this, bro. We gotta keep it all in here. We gotta keep it all in here. This is crazy. This is wild, man. Like, I don't know. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. You guys can see you got the little black foam over it. Oh man, this is crazy. Yo, this is really wild, man. Like, golly. I'm sorry, you guys. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. I'm gonna let you guys see it first, man. In 3, 2, 1, and oh, hold on. We got a little message. It said, "Do you remember your first subscriber?" Oh man, this is crazy. This is giving me, dog, come on, dog. Why you doing like this? Or your 1,000 or 100th, or your 100,000 subscriber. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, I always want to remember that. No matter how they came to your channel, y'all didn't stay, and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone to reach 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Play button, or the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with more commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000 subscriber, we may just write you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscribers? Sincerely, Neil Mahone, YouTube CEO. And it says, this little card right here, congratulations on hitting 100K. We're honored, recognizing this. So it's time, bro. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. I can't believe this, man. Oh my God, bro. This is wild. Let's get this out, man. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. Let's go ahead and pop it out of the paper, bro. I cannot believe this, man. This is wild. Man, look at this, y'all. Check it out, man. 100K play button. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see it say DeVintage, bruh. This is wild. Oh my God. Dude, I don't even know what to say, man. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't write this. Like, I didn't plan anything to say in this video. I just wanted to, man, like, I'm just literally trying to soak it all in, bro. Like, presented to DeVintage for passing 100,000 subscribers, man. Holy, that's wild, bro. I just want to thank God, of course, you know what I'm saying? Of course, thank you guys for supporting me throughout this journey. And I want to tell a quick little story, man. So when I grew up, man, like, I didn't have a lot of shoes. Like I already knew how, I was raised and stuff like that. I wasn't getting shoes after shoes. I see other people have shoes. I seen on the internet, seen different, magazines and stuff for sneakers. My auntie has sneakers all the time. I said, man, I love shoes too. And I never went out and tried to do anything in the wrong way to get the shoes. I didn't grow up in the best of areas and stuff like that. So I seen, different people doing different things in order to get the things that they want. I said, man, I'm not going that route. And I've always kept it that way. Like I ain't never followed a crowd. I've always been myself. And now doing YouTube, actually showing shoes and showing you guys how I feel about them, whether I like them or not, it just means a lot. You know what I'm saying? It definitely means a lot for you guys to come through, come see what your boy DeVintage is talking about. Because 10, 12 years ago, or even go back a little bit further, I would never think that I would have, this many shoes. Not that it's like a material thing, but it's almost like me getting things and showing my, expression, like showing how I feel about them. Sharing my, love for sneakers with you all, it just means so much. So for everybody that's out there, if you only got one shoe right now, you love shoes, just keep grinding. Get, get it the right way. Don't get it the wrong way. And the same with YouTube. If you guys doing YouTube, man, don't do it the wrong way. Don't go out there buying views. Don't buy subscribers. I don't know if you can even do that. But just keep it true. Come with your own ideas. You could definitely reach that milestone as well, bro. This is crazy. Like, I'm literally sitting here in awe just looking at this. Give you guys another look at this, bro. Look at the play button, bro. Silver, platinum thing, man. The vintage on there. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was about to put my first day on YouTube. I can't do that. I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna go backtracking. The vintage is what really made this. And, bro, it means so much, man. You guys do not understand. I know y'all probably like, oh, the vintage is gonna drop a tear. No, I'm not gonna do that because people told me in the past I'm a robot, man. I don't cry a lot, but bro, like inside, I definitely feel like I am crying, if that makes sense. Like I'm super happy. I'm super grateful that, I have this right now. I'm so happy that we hit 100K. It was on my bucket list to do this year. I said I'm gonna do anything I gotta do in order to, reach that 100K. And we started the year off at like 80 something thousand. You know what I'm saying? The channel was going kind of slow. And I just try to come up with other ideas, to engage with different audiences and stuff like that. And the stuff that I did do and the stuff that I have been doing has been working. And as you guys can see, we definitely did pass that 100K. It's real, bro. It's real. I don't care what happens after this. Honestly, I know a lot of people probably gonna say this and that about, people gonna find a way to try to throw dirt on your name. They're gonna try to do anything to, downplay what you accomplished. But me, man, it's nothing that anybody can say, anybody can do that can take away the accomplishment that we did, that I did. And again, man, I just want to thank God and thank you guys for support, man. I know I don't even sound the same, man. I don't even sound the same. I'm already looking at this thing, bro. Like, man, I could not believe this, bro. I cannot believe it, man. Like, this means so much to me. This right here means so much. All the hard work, all the hours I put in, all the late nights, all the videos I didn't do as good as I thought they would do. And I feel like I have a lot of those videos that I thought would have done, crazy numbers and stuff like that. You always hear, you should have been at 100K. I thought that too, but it all happens in God's timing. You know what I'm saying? Everything happens for a reason. And this is the perfect time for me to actually hit 100K, for a personal reason. So I do, like, I don't even know what to say. I'm sorry, but I do want to say, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. It means so much. And if you guys are still watching, still tapped in, man, you guys should already have posted, I already commented 100K DeVintage. Go ahead and comment that in the comment section, because I know you guys probably like, yo, what is he talking about? Probably going in circles and stuff like that. But nah, man, this really means a lot, bro. I don't even know what to do with it. I'm just holding it, man. Like, I do want to hold this all day. I told one of my homeboys, I said, bro, I'm gonna put this thing on the chain, what I'm saying, like Flavor Flav style, and just wear this, because, like, yo, this does not feel real, man. Presented to DeVintage for passing 100,000 subscribers. And I swear, I think I said this like last year, or I said I was gonna tell you guys this. So on Social Blade, it's an app called Social Blade. You can kind of see how many views people get, how much money they're making, how many subscribers they got in a month and stuff like that. And also shows you the projection of what a channel could get. And I'll tell you, at the beginning of the year, like I said, I had like 80-something thousand subscribers. And they said I want to hit 100K to like 2027. I'm like, hold on, we're in 2024. Yeah, I said I'm gonna hit to 2027. I put that on my notes. I wrote it down. I said, man, we are hitting 100K this year. I ain't care if it happened December 31st, but I was gonna do whatever I had to do as far as putting out content, putting in them hours, putting out different ideas and stuff like that to hit that goal. And not only have we hit 100K, bro, we had 104,000 subscribers and steadily growing, man. So I do, again, man, thank y'all, bro. Thank you so much. I just had to put that, quick little, story out there, because you guys probably doing content as well, or, you're trying to grow whatever niche you're doing or whatever you're doing on the outside and personal life and stuff like that. It's probably going real slow. It's probably going really, really slow right now. You feel down. You feel like you want to quit. You feel like you want to give up. But I feel like I can be like a testament to you guys, like, yo, never give up. No matter how low it is, no matter how slow it's going. If it's something that you really want to do, you just got to go do it, man. Just keep pushing, keep grinding. Because there's been so many times, bro, like so many times that I got like good times on YouTube, and then like sometimes it's slowed down, or it's like slowing down. I don't really know what's going on, why my channel kind of slowed down and stuff like that. But there's something told me to just keep going, bro. Like, just keep going, keep putting out content. Because at the end of the day, shoes is what I love. I can see if I was coming up here talking about like freaking painting the house. I don't know how to paint a house. I want to have a passion or grind to do it. But if you really truly love what you do, no matter what, you should always put your 100% effort into doing it. And I just feel like, me talking to some of my friends, talking to family, they know this is what I wanted to do. So I really didn't matter about hitting 100K. Now it just feels that much better that we actually did kind of, get something to show that the hard work did pay off, man. So I'm telling you, bro, if it's something that you want to do, something you've been grinding to do not give up, bro. Do not give up. I just ask you guys that personally, man. Don't give up. Keep going. If you're doing YouTube right now, you watching, just keep doing it, bro. Like, if it's something you love to do, it's something you want to reach a goal, then you got to be goal oriented, and you have to do the things that you should do in order to get to that goal, no matter how slow it's going and stuff like that, man. So just wanted to put that message out to you guys. Don't give up. Don't quit. Keep going, man. And we definitely going to keep grinding. We definitely going to keep putting out content, because you never know, bro. I know it might sound far-fetched now, and I just read that note, and it said if you hit 1 million subscribers, we're going to ask you, do you remember the 100,000 subscribers? You just never know. Never short play yourself. Never downplay yourself. I know I'm just loyal to DeVintage, but you never know. Could definitely hit 1 million subscribers, and you could as well, man. So keep going, keep pushing, and go ahead and reach some goals, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much. I'm sorry for the tone, man, because y'all know I don't sound like this. I'm just super excited. And again, like I said, I'm like a robot, and I don't, cry or show emotions much, but I definitely feel it in my tone, like in my voice. Like, I do truly feel it in my heart, man. It does mean so much. So I want to thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart, man. And with all that's been said, your boy DeVintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.